So hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find any text in a list of tables. And you probably are wondering what is that useful for? Well, this is very useful when you're cleaning PDFs. Let me show you. The example is actually from Imke. Amazing Imke. So I'm going to post the link down below so you can go and check it out. She explains everything in exquisite detail. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I have an invoice, which is the one that you see here. And you know, when you are importing PDFs in Power BI, you get the table and then you get also the page. And then depending on how the PDF looks, maybe you just want to have a specific part of the PDF imported, not everything. For example, for this invoice, maybe we just want to have the page where this nutzer is included and this word, so 2 words. If those 2 words are on the page, then we want to export it, otherwise we don't. So how do we do that? So cool. To be able to do that, first of all, you cannot just import a PDF directly. You have to import from folder like I'm doing here. I'm getting to the source. This is my downloads folder, and then you have to grab the PDF here and click on binary, okay? Because if you import a PDF, what's going to happen is that it's going to show you this on the page navigation, and you won't be able to select which tables you want. So pick from folder, from SharePoint, you know, all that thing would work. Now, as you can see here, this is the PDF that we have in there, and we have 3 pages, which are the pages that we have in here, 3 pages. And then we have the tables, table 1, table 2. Those are the tables that Power BI found when trying to understand how that that PDF file was structured. And of these, all these pages, you just want to have the page where the word nutzer was included. I don't know what is that for a word. I just downloaded the PDF from online. So this is the one that we want. So how do we do it? What we're going to do, if we follow Imke's advice, this is the part that we need. She explains in detail how this thing works. So go to the link and check that out. We're going to go to Power BI and add column, custom column, and we're going to paste her code. Now we need to change source for data. Okay, because that's where our tables are. And then we need to change the income statement wording for the word that we want to find in our PDF. So we copy, go back, and then grab that, paste it, and now, and now it's saying, so go to, take the tables, put it into rows, combine all the tables, and then find this word on that huge list. So it basically takes all the tables, puts it in a list, and tries to find that word. And if it finds it, it will get it true. As you can see here, this page and this table contains that word, which makes it very easy to just clean the data that you need. And let's say that you want to pick another word, so 2 words. So what you would do, you can obviously do the same in a new column, and then just pick true and true, combine and pick true and true, but you can do that in one go. Let me show you. So we're going to copy that and then right here, and then paste it again. And here we're going to put another word from the PDF. So let's say that we also want to have that word, PG. So we want to have the pages where those 2 words are. I'll paste it in there, and you'll get the results in there. You have to be careful and see true and true will give true and false, true or false equals to, so you have to understand that logic. But otherwise I see that the first word are in here and the second one is in there. So if I just filter by true, I get all the pages that I need. And you have the possibility to say, oh, I just want the tables, and it will give you table 1 and table 2. Cool, huh? Thank you, Imke. Really useful.